In 2024, I was trying to build a coaching business, but specifically a coaching business that is heart-centered and also more spiritually aligned. So I wanted to help people really tap into their potential, okay? Now, these are the problems that I ran into trying to do this. Obviously, I had to try to build an audience online. So I spent a year on X, Twitter, doing posts, growing my account, sometimes doing really well, networking, spending all this time. I met really cool people, but I also wasted a lot of time. I wasted a lot of time taking action, but also I wasted a lot of time simply trying to just chase something that I thought was for me. When in reality, I did not see that process as sustainable. I did it for over a year. And still, I realized that what I came to realize was that it was pay to play. A lot of people, accounts that were growing fast, a lot of people that were doing all these great things, getting the views, getting the potential clients, whatever. At some point, they pay for something, whether it was coaching to do it, whether it was repost, anything like this. So it quickly made me realize that I don't want to do this. But also, I'm happy that I didn't get caught in the wheel any longer because I wanted to do my own thing. I just saw that there's no point about me trying to network with people and spending all this time arguing and talking about different people's opinions and perspectives when it comes to things like spirituality. I really couldn't be asked for it anymore. That's why I stopped that and I just started following my own way. Sometimes your way is the best way.